Hi, this is Alexis Martinez and welcome to your Friday Extra. Today we're here on the beautiful Bally's Golf Course. I know it doesn't look like a beautiful day, but it is totally magnificent out here. Our golfers are enjoying themselves. They are hitting those golf balls, hitting those longest drives. It's definitely an event that you should not be missing. I just want to give a really big shout out to our Friday Extra sponsors. First Friday Extra sponsor that I want to talk about is KZA Realty. She is on our board. She's a beloved Bronx Chamber member, and we just want to give a big shout out to her. She is a real estate agent, so for any of your commercial needs, please contact KZA Realty. The J. Pilla Group, a family-owned general contractor rooted in the Bronx since 2006. With over 60 years of combined leadership under John Pilla Sr. and his sons, they champion mixed income, affordable, supportive, and institutional housing. From lean construction to full client collaboration, they deliver complex residential and commercial projects citywide with safety, quality, and integrity.
Guys, I want you guys to have a great time out there. Again, I'm the chair of the chamber, and just so you understand that everything you've donated for this cause goes back into the Bronx to help the small business owners, to help programs, to help education, help with policy making. So I want to thank you guys personally for what you guys do, and always keeping, we remember this is a Joe Kelleher event. We keep his spirit alive because what he started, we want to finish. And I want to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart for what you guys do for the chamber. Thank you.
All right.
I don't need to say anything, except have a great time. This is what it's all about. Once a year, you get to show your skills. No cheating.
Skill.
Skills, no skills? Okay, very good. But thank you for your support of the chamber, for everything you do. This is all about you guys. Have a wonderful time, and now...
Deglamini Holdings, a dynamic force in New York real estate with decades of experience transforming the Bronx and beyond. They are known for driving commercial growth and building strong communities through innovative development. David A. Gallo and Associates LLP, a trusted New York City and Long Island law firm founded in 1986, specializing in commercial and real estate litigation, from landlord-tenant disputes to mortgage foreclosure defense. They bring over 35 years of courtroom success and unmatched local expertise.
Hello, everyone. So, what an amazing shotgun. We have 33 foursomes out there playing their heart out because there's some amazing prizes. So, take a look at this. Alexis, how did you do this? Get our members to participate like this.
I want to say a huge shout out to our members. You guys really outdid yourselves. We have some amazing gifts. We have the garden, we have the zoo, we have
Havana Cafe. Look at this. iMind Strategies and Munoz Insurance really knocked it out of the park.
killed it this year. We have some really cool eyeglasses.
If it were summer, or at least sunny, what do you think?
Exactly.
Eventually?
Eventually, hopefully, you can use these at some point. We got some amazing books, and of course,
You cannot have golf without?
cigars.
Exactly.
You should see our golfers out there.
This is amazing. And thank you to all the sponsors. We'll come back to you during dinner.
Yes.
And of course, we're honoring our chairman, Anthony Mormile. Stay tuned.
Congratulations, Anthony.
Hi, Tanisha here at the Bronx Chamber of Commerce. You know me, Chief of Staff. But I'm here with Mr. Bruce Eagle, and he has brought so many auction items for us today at our annual Joseph P. Kelleher annual golf outing, and we are so excited. So, Bruce, tell us what you got. Tell us about what you got.
First of all, I'm excited, always excited to be here. I think it's over 20 years that I'm here.
And it's a win-win situation for us. We sell and show our items, but we raise money for good charities.
Yes.
So it's a wonderful experience. We have a new piece that just came out, a video of Michael Jordan, and we go to hockey, right, Tanisha?
Yes.
And Michael Jordan again.
Yes.
And these are the GOAT, greatest of all time. The great Don Mattingly, his signed jersey.
Not only does Bruce have these jerseys and these goats and everything, but he has awesome things for the ladies, such as Kate Spade bags.
Yes.
We have, who do we have? Michael Kors down there. We have a little something
Marc
for
Jacobs.
everyone. We have Taylor Swift. So please join us. Join us.
And here we are wrapping up an incredible day. We had tons of sponsors, bunch of sold out foursome, an incredible dinner, an outstanding honoree. We honored also Greg Gonzalez, who has put this whole thing together for years. We did a shout out to John Benizio, who will be retiring in another month. This has probably been the most perfect night. And how can we end it? By saying thank you. Thank you for supporting the Bronx Chamber. Thank you for the camaraderie. Thank you to my staff. Thank you for just being out there in support of our small businesses, in support of the Bronx, because this is what we're all about. And September 18th, we will be illuminating success for our small business. And we hope that you can join us, because this is what it's all about: networking, support, success, and supporting our small businesses like nobody else. You have an amazing time this weekend. We'll see you next week. This has been your Friday Extra.